Welcome to KidZoobyTV. The paper boat. One rainy afternoon, little Arya sat by the window. The sky was gray, and raindrops danced on the roof. She tore a page from her old notebook and folded it into a small paper boat. "Let's go sailing," she whispered. Wearing her yellow raincoat, she placed the boat in the running water by the roadside. It floated, turning gently with the current. Arya followed it, skipping along the puddles, laughing. The boat went under a small bridge and disappeared. She smiled. "It sailed to a new world," she said, and went back home with a dream. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.